Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told a circle in the xy plane is centered at 3, 0 and has a radius with endpoint 1, 8/3. We're asked which of the following is an equation of the circle. So the equation of a circle in general is going to be of the form x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared, where we have hk is the center of the circle and r is the length of the radius. So if we're told that 3, 0 is our center, that means h is going to be 3, so we have x minus 3 squared. And then y is going to, or k is going to be 0, so we have y minus 0 squared. And this is equal to r squared. We'll get to r in a minute. So this is x minus 3 squared plus y minus 0 is just y, so that's just y squared is equal to r squared. So looking at our options, whether r is 10/3 or r squared is 10/3 or 100/9 or whatever, just ignoring that, we can narrow down this side of the equation to only the ones that are x minus 3 squared plus y squared, which is a and c. B have an x plus 3 in there, so b and d are out. And now the only differences between a and c is the value of r squared 10/3 or 100/9. So the value of our radius is going to be the distance between 3, 0 and 1, 8/3, right? If we have a circle and we have this center and the radius with this endpoint, the distance between these 2 points is going to be the length of the radius. So we're going to use the distance formula. So it's the difference between the two y values, so 8/3 minus 0 squared, plus the difference in the x values, 1 minus 3 squared. And if we're not looking for r, we're looking for r squared, we can square both sides. And r squared is therefore equal to everything that was inside the square root, right? The square root of something squared, these just cancel each other out, and we're left with 8/3 minus 0 squared, which is 8/3 squared, plus 1 minus 3 is negative 2 squared. So you have a fraction and you're squaring it, so you square the numerator, so 64 over 3 squared is 9. This is plus negative 2 squared is plus 4. We want to get these to have a common denominator, so we multiply 4 by 9 divided by 9. So we have 64 over 9 plus 4 times 9 is 36 divided by 9, right? 9 divided by 9 is 1, so this is just multiplying by 1, but we change our denominator. And we have 64 plus 36. We can now add the numerators because we have a common denominator. And we get 100 divided by 9 is the value of r squared. So our final equation is x minus 3 squared plus y squared is equal to 100 over 9, which means C and not A is your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.